In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host MKDocs on Cloudflare Pages. We'll start at the Cloudflare dashboard, open your browser and head to the Cloudflare website, then sign into your account. If you're brand new, a free account is fine for this workflow. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which gives you an overview of your account and services. This is your hub for everything we'll do next. From the left-hand navigation, look for the section labeled Compute. This area groups Cloudflare's serverless tools together, and it's where static site hosting lives now. Clicking into Compute ensures you're in the right place for deploying a documentation site without managing servers. Inside Compute, choose Workers and Pages. Workers handle serverless functions, while Pages focuses on static sites and frameworks like MKDocs. Since MKDocs generates a static site, Pages is exactly what we need. You'll see a list of existing projects here if you've deployed anything before. Otherwise, it'll be a clean slate ready for your first deployment. Next, select Create Application. This starts the guided setup. You won't publish anything yet. Think of this as opening the door to configure your MKDocs site. Before you proceed through the prompts, it helps to have a few things ready. Make sure your MKDocs project is in a Git repository on a supported provider, with a MKDocs YML file in the repository root and a docs folder containing your content. If you use a theme like Material for MKDocs, note the package name so you can install it during the build. You'll be asked to choose how Cloudflare should build your site. For MKDocs, the typical approach is to use a Python environment and run a build command that installs dependencies and generates the static site. A common pattern is to install MKDocs and any theme or plugins you use, then run MKDocs build. The output directory is site by default, which is what Pages expects to publish. If your project needs a specific Python version, you can set that in the environment settings during the configuration flow. When the project is created, Pages will run your first build and give you a preview URL. This is great for verifying that navigation, search, and styling look right. You can add a custom domain later, set up redirects, and enable automatic deployments from your main branch so that every documentation update goes live with no extra work. That's it for the setup path. Go to Cloudflare, open Compute, enter Workers and Pages, and start a new application. With your MKDocs project ready, the guided steps will take you the rest of the way.